Hi guys. But right now I'm gonna do my makeup because oh guys, I could wear a headband today. I literally forgot I had these. I could literally wear a headband today. But I'm doing my makeup because I'm super bored and everybody is gone today. Should I show y'all my setup? I don't really want this kind of dirty, guys. Give me a second. I go small vanity mirror with light. I go big vanity mirror. I go animal crackers y'all are sitting on, and then I go makeup bag, other stuff. I already did my eyebrows earlier. I use the Maybelline New York Super Lock brow glue for my eyebrows. Also, I'm not a pro, guys. I'm literally nowhere near pro. I just do what feels natural. So yeah, don't take this as a tutorial. It's literally just so I can have something to do right now because I'm bored as I don't know what. But I go in with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Usually one would like do their skincare before this, but I already did that this morning because I've been up for a while and I'm just now deciding to do this. So take that as you will. One usually wants to start off with a fresh base, but I'm not doing that because I don't got time to rewash my face and all that. Well, I do. I definitely got time. I got plenty of time, but I don't feel like it, so I'm not going to. And don't say that's nasty. It's my spit, so be quiet. And I go in with the NYX Bear With Me concealer serum, and I put that all over my face. I just do dots. This is in the shade Deep Golden. Deep Golden. These are just the normal places I apply. You don't have to do this. This is just what I do. Again, not a tutorial because I barely know how to do my makeup myself. I really just eyeball it and hope it turns out pretty. Then I spray my beauty blender with the spray bottle, same one I use for my hair, and then I get to dabbing in like so. Nothing crazy. Okay, but I'm gonna blend this out and I'm gonna come back to y'all. As we can see, it's not actually all the way blended out, but I forgot I had this little dark spot from this pimple that I had a little while ago, so I'm gonna cover it up with my dark spot cover up and then blend out the stuff on my forehead so it won't go away. They have different tones of this. I got the pink one just because I have a more red undertone, but I'll probably at some point get the other ones to see which one looks best. But I'm not really too crazily trying to dabble and spending all my money on makeup right now because I barely know how to do it. Okay, I feel like that's pretty blended out. I don't know, I can't tell. Usually Izzy tells me if I look crazy or if I look stupid. But then after that, I usually go concealer and then hold on. Sorry y'all. I go concealer, which I use e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. I don't know what shade this is. Deep Caramel, in the shade Deep Caramel. And then I bronze with this e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filler in the shade 7 Deep Rich. This is actually Izzy's. I steal it from her every time I do my makeup. Thank you, Izzy. Because I don't have a bronzer yet because I didn't think I needed one, but it does make a big difference. But I usually, for concealer, I go one dot in the eye, I go right here. That's usually about it. If I'm feeling crazy, I go over here, but I'm thinking this is gonna cover me for right now. Maybe I should go nose, small dot, because I be putting highlighter right there. We're gonna blend in my concealer first. That's what we're gonna do. And I got all these brushes from Target. The brand is MHB, but I go concealer brush. I spray that with water, squeegee the excess water off with my fingers, and then I just go like this. You can do this with your beauty blender too, but the concealer brush, like the actual brush, is just more precise, but you don't necessarily have to use it. It doesn't really matter. They both get the job done. I just make sure to blend it out so that it's not crazy harsh. I'm still trying to get the hang of that down because it kind of always looks crazy harsh, but it's fine because we're gonna do bronzer after this. Okay, I'm gonna come back when this is blended out. Okay, I just blended out the concealer. Now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow to do contour. I just go right here. I usually go a couple dots down here. I don't really do too much because I'm not that dark of a girl, so I don't need crazy contour, but it's just something slight. And then I go a couple dots on the side of my nose, just a couple, nothing crazy. And then same thing on the other side of my face. And don't look at how the edges on this side ain't done. When I take my hair down, it covers that side, so it don't have to be done. Trust me. Trust me. And then I go in with my other beauty blender, spray it with water. I'm spraying it over the trash can, that's why I keep looking over there. And then blend. Y'all, I hate boys. Like, I hate boys. They're so annoying, and then they're so backwards, and then they act like you're tripping when they sending you mixed signals. Like, that's so crazy. They're just a waste of time. Every boy, all the time, waste of time. I know this is a bit contradictory to me saying, you know, my man got me this earlier, da, 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 da. But it's always gonna be boys, even if I'm married. So it doesn't even matter, because, you know, that's still my man, but like, really, that could leave any day. So does it really matter? It doesn't. I feel like I'm gonna have to redo this middle edge, but I'm also feeling like I don't care enough to redo the middle edge, so it's gonna stay like that. And then after that, I go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder, and then a powder puff that I got from Family Dollar. Nothing crazy, and it's like loose powder. I just, okay, if something would come out. Hold on, guys, they're baiting me right now. Hold on, let me, because they're, sorry, they were real life baiting. Oh, they're still real life baiting me. But I just go and put powder on the places I put concealer, and I only do a little bit. I don't do too much because you only really need a little bit. And I don't have a set time that I let it sit, honestly. I just let it sit until I feel like not letting it sit, to be honest. e.l.f. highlighter, Prosecco Poppin' Halo Glow Silky Powder Highlighter. It's real cute. I like the pink packaging. I go highlighter brush, I go dip it in the middle, and then usually they got a little excess on the side on my trash can, so it don't be overly doing a lot. But I usually just put it on my nose. I kind of got a little button nose type of thing going, so I just do a little bit, and then I put it a little on my bridge, highlight my bridge a little bit. Nothing crazy. Under my eyebrow, just because I saw a girl on TikTok doing it and it looked really cute, but I don't know if it really makes a difference for me, to be honest. But it is cute when she did it, so I do it too. Then I take my powder brush and I wipe out the excess powder. I don't want to hear any comments about any of the faces I make. while doing this because it's not a pretty process, but I come out looking pretty in the end. So that's all that matters. And then I go in with the e.l.f. Always Crushing Primer Infused Matte Blush based matte. I do a little bit of this one, and I use the angled bronzer brush to put this on, but really the name of the brushes really are the name of the brushes are really like for show, because you can really use it for whatever it works best for you in your routine. It's designed for what it's named as, but like, who cares? I wonder. And then I usually put a little on my nose. I actually usually do the step before the highlighter, and I kind of forgot. And then I'm gonna go in with my buttermelt blush. It's just a little deeper, darker than the one I just used, so it adds a little more oomph. Hold up, you know what we're actually gonna do? We're gonna go NYX Professional Matte Finish Finny Matte 16-hour little setting spray. I go that, and then I go e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set, and then I go take whatever I can find around me to dry my face. This is my aftermath, but I look cute though, y'all. I look cute. But I'm gonna go this lip liner, like lip stain thing. It's CoverGirl Outlast lip stain. It actually lasts mad long for whatever reason, but it's like OD good. It overly does its job real bad. I'll probably vlog that. I've been vlogging so much and I haven't been posting anything because I really just do it for fun. When I start posting it, it just feels like a job, and I know like it's not. Like, I do it for fun, but when I start posting it, it feels like everybody judging me, like, look at this stupid vlogger. So I be scared, but y'all, I'm gonna work on it for real. And I'm using the powder puff to pull down my eyes so I can do the underliner. I usually just go on the inside and then come out a little bit. Can you tell the difference? I overly bought a liquid liner because I really like the look of it when people do it, but I'm scared to try it. That's fine. Okay, guys. I'm thinking I'm gonna go headband for the rest of the day because I genuinely forgot I had that option. Like, I genuinely forgot that was a thing I could do. But it's super cute. But I don't know. Also, I'm gonna put lip gloss on. I usually use the e.l.f. I forgot the name of it because I just had to throw it away because it kept busting open. It kept busting open on me when I was trying to use it, and then I would look down and I have lip gloss, sticky lip gloss all over my hands, and I'm not sure what that was about, but I really don't like that. I really don't like that, but it is a really good lip gloss. Like, it actually is real cute, but Girl, I ain't got time for lip gloss stained hands every other second. Guys, we're in luck. I forgot I kept my old one even after I bought the new one. I used the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm in the color Black Sorbet. I really want to get all the colors, but broke college student, ain't got time to be spending money on stuff I don't actually need. And yeah. I had a brand new one. I really wanted to go full rim and really every time I use it, so I had to but it wasn't I don't know why. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing about the YouTube thing right now. I really want to take it serious because it's so fun, but I don't know. I have trouble pursuing hobbies that I know I would really enjoy. Cause what if I fuck it up? What if nobody likes me? What if I post these videos for years on end and nobody ever gives a crap? Nobody ever gives a crud. Like, that's so scary. That's such a scary thought. So it's easier to just make the videos and edit them and be like, oh, I did that, than to make them and edit them and post them and promote them. Like, that's a lot of work. It's not even a lot of work. That's a lot of nerve. And I don't know if I have that nerve right now. Usually I have that nerve. I'm not knowing if I'm feeling like I got that nerve right now. But, you know, hopefully I get it within some time frame coming up, because I love to talk to y'all every day. I love it. Okay, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. This is my get ready with me. Not really going much anywhere, but that's not the point. That's not the point. I'm having fun. So, see y'all.